My name is Pete Lattin. I'm a shareholder at the firm of Howard, Lewis & Peterson, and it's my privilege to practice in the areas of probate, trust, and estate administration and litigation. I do planning, and I also go to court for clients who are having challenges. Before entering into practice, I attended Brigham Young University and then did my law training at the University of Utah Law School. I'm a member of the Utah Valley Estate Planning Council, and joining the firm and eventually becoming a shareholder at Howard, Lewis & Peterson has been really the highlight of my professional career as an attorney. The practice of law is important to me because in any situation where parties cannot agree on a resolution, there has to be some type of system to resolve those disputes. And as attorneys, we are part of the system. Some would say we're even the most important part. On the one end, we help people to resolve their disputes before they even get to court. And that might involve special planning and drafting contracts or trust and estate documents. And on the other end, if things don't go well, we resolve those disputes in court. But in any case, being an attorney comes with the privilege of helping people to get through the most difficult challenges in their life. So I can't say that I have one favorite case that stands out from any others, but by far one of the great privileges of being an attorney, and the thing that I enjoy most, is having someone come to you and say to you, I have this problem, and this problem is intense. It's affecting my life in horrible ways, and guiding them through a process, whether it's drafting some type of plan for their business or for their estate plan that resolves that issue, or if they're in some type of dispute, resolving that dispute and sending the client out the door knowing that it's finished and that they've got a solution that's going to work. When I'm not practicing law, I am a husband and father. My wife and I have 5 very busy, very young children, and most of my time is spent with them. But when we can, either as a family or individually, I love to get out in the outdoors on a mountain bike or on a pair of skis. I'm a backcountry skier and a mountain biker, and we take our children with us as much as we can. Living in Utah and practicing law in Utah is great because we have a great Utah bar. We have other talented attorneys and judges to work with, but we're also really close to the mountains and the desert. So when closing time comes and we're done with work for the week, I try to get out on a mountain bike or on a trail run or on my skis in the wintertime. I like to practice at Howard, Lewis & Peterson for a lot of reasons, but one of the main reasons that stands out is the ability to work with really, really good people. There is a mentorship there and a collegial atmosphere there that makes practice very, very easy it's a very easy place to come to work. I've had the privilege of being able to work at other offices, and I can say that our firm and what really stands apart with Howard, Lewis & Peterson is our ability to work as a team. When I've got an issue that maybe I can't figure out on my own, I've got a whole group of people with a wealth of experience that step in to assist. And that's by far the greatest thing about working at Howard, Lewis & Peterson.